Eyes on the horizon, reaching for more. Big plans waiting on the distant shore. But the road feels narrow, every step is slow. Learning to move forward when progress won't show.
Clouds in my vision, questions in my mind, testing my hope as I watch the signs. Measure dreams, taking my time, patience and planning keep me in line. Balancing hope with what's real and clear. Step by step, I'll get there from here. Longing for freedom, but the limits remain. Pushing through doubts and working through pain. Ambition and caution side by side. Growing stronger as I learn to abide. Optimism shines when I hold it close. Growing with care, trusting what I chose. Measure dreams, taking my time, patience and planning keep me in line. Balancing hope with what's real and clear. Step by step, I'll get there from here. No dream too big, no step too small. Measured dreams help me stand tall. Measured dreams, taking my time, patience and planning keep me in line. Measured dreams, taking my time, patience and planning keep me in line. Balancing hope with what's real and clear. Step by step, I'll get there from here. Step by step, I'll get there from here. Step